So this is the starter right here. You're gonna want to remove the signal wire, which I already checked. The power wire right above here. That's a 12mm bolt or nut. And then remove the two 14mm bolts right here. One here and one up there using a universal flex socket. Alright, let me start on. Okay, so once I took off the bolts in the back up there, I turned the starter so it would fall down right here near the subframe. I removed the motor mount bolt, engine mount bolt nut right there, one on one side, the other on the other side, and then I lifted up the engine a little bit using a block of wood and a jack, and once I got it to the right height, it was able to slide right out of this hole right here without taking off the exhaust manifold. So that was the way I did it. The instructions on Alldata tell you to remove a whole bunch of stuff, and I didn't have to do that.